Alright guys, here with DJ Martini Midwest coming at you with another video for my channel. I just want to do a quick tutorial on the Engine Prime software. I do use it to set up my Denon DJ Prime Go, Denon DJ Prime 4. I do have some videos out there on the Prime 4 if you need any issues with updates and that type of thing. The Engine Prime software update, it's been out for a while. I've been dragging my feet because I've had no issues with the other software, but figure it's time to upgrade, and I thought I'd show you a little video on how to get this done. So let's get it done. Alright, so I'm going to go click on my Engine Prime icon here, and we're going to go ahead and open that, which is already open. Now sometimes on another laptop I actually had it fire up and ask me to do an update, but sometimes, like this other laptop I have, it's not doing that, so I'm going to have to go ahead and manually update this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the program off again, and then we're going to go and reopen it up, and I make sure that I have the internet on. If you have your internet turned off, it might not pick it up, so I shut the program down completely, and then I'm going to turn it back on and then see if it pops up that update. If not, I'll show you how to do it manually to get this done as well. But you see I'm running the 1.5.1. there is an update. Here we go. See, now it prompted that to go ahead and do the update, so we're going to go ahead and say yes. There is a way to do it manually, but it's the same way if you get prompted to do it. So it's going to take you to the Denon DJ page, and then you're just going to go ahead and sign into your account. But you can also go into downloads here and just download the latest software without getting into any account or anything. So you can just go to Engine Prime software, go ahead and down the latest version, and then it's going to go ahead and take you through the steps. So basically, if you don't get prompted, you can just go to the Denon DJ page, go to Denon DJ, go to downloads. It'll take you to this page. You find your item, which is going to be your Prime software, and then you're going to go ahead and just download it. Not too hard, guys. Just in case you guys needed a little information, sometimes it's easier to just see it going on. So I got this downloading right now. It's just going to take a few seconds here. And it did get prompt for me just turning it on with the internet on. Internet has to be on. But like I said, if you don't want to do it this way, you can go ahead and just go to the page and download the update. So now we're going to go ahead and open this file. And there it goes. It's going to ask you for all the agreements. You go ahead and install those. Yes. You're going to go ahead and agree to their downloading. So guys, I am still enjoying my Denon DJ Prime Go. The Prime Go is definitely a lot easier to use. It's the newer of the the Prime 4 and Prime 2. It does do automatic updates too. It'll just prompt you to go do the update. You don't have to plug it in. You can do that. So there's ways to do that too. If you guys have any questions about that, let me know. Also, the Prime 4, I just did a video not too long ago, maybe a month or two ago, on how to update that as well. So if you guys want to check that out, that's cool. But the Prime Go is pretty simple. It does kind of automatically update, kind of like this software. If you just prompt it with the internet on, it will go ahead and start doing updates for you. But my Prime 4, they said that does that too, but I always had to manually do the Prime 4. I don't know. I haven't had it automatically say there's an update for that one yet, but that could be changed. But it's always good to know how to do it if you don't get that prompt. So you can just go to the Denon DJ Prime or the Denon DJ page, and you can go ahead and do all these updates on your own. Kind of nice to know. Looks like we are successful, so it's going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to close the page. I'm going to go close that too, and then you can see that my icon kind of moved. So I'm going to go ahead and open this again just to make sure. It's always good to restart your laptop as well. I'm not going to do that right now, of course, because I'd be killing this video. But it's always good to just do that as well, just to get everything kind of tidy and everything. So now you see I do have the 1.6.1.5 that is saying it's the new software, and we are all good to go. I'm ready to hook up a drive to this once this gets fired up and go ahead and start transferring music and things. Very, very nice. You can do some things on this Prime 4. Of course, you have dual tracks, so you can sample tracks here and check things out. You can get into all your collections here, and then this will be your drives that you hook up. Once you get those drives in, it does analyze, do all that kind of good stuff, and puts it in there for you. That way it's ready to go when you connect it to your Prime 4, or Prime Go, Prime 2, whatever you guys are working with out there. So it is kind of good software that kind of correlates with your hardware. So I do use it. It is a kind of a pain because I do use multiple systems, including Serato and Tractor and Virtual DJ, but and Rekordbox occasionally. So it is good to know all this stuff, guys, and I just thought I would throw a quick video out on this and show you guys how to get this done. This has been DJ Martini Midwest Reviews, giving you a tutorial on the Denon DJ Engine Prime software, how to get these updates completed. If you guys like review type videos, please like, subscribe, share to DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much. I just like to bring you guys information and give you guys reviews as well. So thank you guys. If you like review videos, tutorial videos, tech videos, please tune in to DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. Thank you guys. We'll talk to you guys later. Any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. Later, guys.